Hey guys, Siddhant here, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Android 9. Yeah friends, you must be thinking that on Android Pie I have made one video, but that video is not actually Android Pie, that is Android 8, which is from uh, .os, that means Droid on Time version 2.4, which have given the modes of Android Pie. But now today in this video I will show you how you can install the real Android 9 on our beloved Yuphoria. And this part is of two. This video is divided into two parts. First part will be the installation part and second part will be the quick review of this ROM. So without wasting time, let's get started. So friends, here we are. So first, to install the ROM, we will go to the recovery mode. For our UE4 5010, we use volume up, power button plus volume down, both at the same time. Okay. So as you can see, we are in the TWRP. So first of all, we will wipe. So in the wipe section, first of all, we will do this: swipe to factory reset. Okay. So as you can see here, our factory reset has been completed. So we will go back and click the advanced wipe section. Here we will select system and data. So friends, as you can see, I have selected system and data and just swipe to wipe. Friends, this process could take some time in your phone. Okay, so after doing this wipe data, then simply go to home, install, locate the ROM which you have downloaded. Here you can see Pixel Experience latest 9. So we have to take this. Friends, we don't need to flash gaps because gaps are included in this ROM, because this is a Pixel Experience ROM. So gaps are included in this ROM, and link of this ROM will be in the description. Go down and download the ROM from the given description. Just will do swipe to flash. Friends, this can take some time, so I'm skipping this part.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on
default. So as you can see, this is a pixel experience ROM. So we have given the Google camera, the Google browser, and the Google app, Google phone, message, contact, everything from Google. So let's see the settings. So this is the Android 9 theme. So system and advanced. Fine. Then advanced we don't, oh, up, sorry, about phone section. So owner, device name U5010, phone sim unknown. Oh, where is her? Here you can see Android version 9. Oh shit, this is Android 9. Friends, as you can see, the security patch is latest 5 August 2015, means the previous year's one. So it's nice. So build number is pixel experience. So let's see the, here you can see the recent menu. First of all, let me open some apps. Oh friends, here you can see the pixel home pixel home button animation. Here you can see. Are you able to see or not? That okay. So let's see here. This is the all new recent panel of our Android 9, and this is the navigation bar. You all might be knowing if you have installed the .os 2.4. You can set up. If you need the attractive setup of this room, comment me below. Okay, so here is all about the Google Pixel Experience Android 9. You can see this is, I'm not fake, I'm not showing any bullshit or uh, what we can say, any false video. This is true. You can see in about phone section, this is an Android 9. Here this is an Android 9. So let let's check it have the game or not. Oh, here is the pixel game. Here the pixel logo. Okay, now you can believe this is a true pixel Android P. If you like this video, subscribe this channel, like this video, and don't forget to share this video to your friends, so that let them know the Yuphoria has the Android 9. Okay, and this is it for today guys. Let me see you in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Oh, sorry friends, I have forgotten something to show you. This is the pixel nav button. See how you can enable this. Just sorry. So this is our setting. Go to the, sorry, go to the system. In system, here's the gesture. In gestures, sorry, my touch is not working friends. So here gestures. Open the gestures. Then after opening the gestures, here you can see swipe up on home button. So if I off this, I get the what we can say ordinary nav bar. If I If I on this, I got this, our nav button, which is swipe up one. Isn't good. So here we have prevent ringing, jump on camera. We don't have all that stuff off, which we can customize everything, which we had got in our .os. Since this is in stock ROM, we don't have that things. Okay, nothing much to show you. Here is one thing, which is digital well-being. It consists of screen time, app timers, and wind downwards. That this is some storage settings and accessibility. Must have select to speak, switch access, talk back. So this is a Google Chrome. We get everything from Google. So this I want to show you. And the camera is also from Google. So you can see this is a Google camera. Where is the photo? So pretty much good. Okay, so oh, we don't have VoLTE here. If call is working on your phone, well and good. If doesn't, you have to install the Geo 4G app. Since this is not an VoLTE ROM, this is an LTE ROM. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, I will bring videos for Euphoria and for customizing the Euphoria every day. And my channel is based on hacking also. You can see my previous videos. Okay, so that's it for today. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.